everyone, I'm Dash with Sewing in the Dash, and we are on episode 3, and today's episode is called B.W.A.P. That stands for Black Woman Appreciation Project, and this was totally inspired by 3 of the hottest women in the game. Beyonce with her premiere of Black is King, and Cardi B and Meg the Stallion with their video of W.A.P. Both were so powerful, and their common thread was animal print. So that's what our fabrics are totally inspired by today. Now let's get into these fabrics. I got a little excited with all the fabric choices. Here are the first 3. Here's the cheetah with a red detail chiffon. And here's black and white satin cotton stretch. Here's the burnout fabric with a shaded spruce. And here we have the gray suede with metallic silver detailing and this gold leopard, and it stretches.
It's time to pick the fabric.
And the winner is A! Now let's see what I can do with this.
It's time to sketch.
Leather strip here. Cheetah.
It's time to cut and sew.
I have to put this hair up hot. So now I'm going to do some draping and kind of see how I want the top done. Okay, so now we are going to see the tape line. With it. Just a little bit. Or a lot of, we'll see. Use the muslin so you can test it out before you cut your fabric. Because once you cut your fabric, I mean, it's pretty much over with. So chiffon's fabric is like very slippery, so you have to be very careful when you're cutting. This area right here that I cut, that's where the waist is. It creates the shape where it's all falling.
It's time to show you my creation. I can't wait to see what we come up with next week. Until then, make sure you follow, like, and subscribe.